Hello everyone and welcome to today's video where we are checking out the Enjin token. This will be an overview video. I will be showing you a quick overview about this token and about this protocol, this project. And in the second half we will also check out the price charts to give you a better idea about the price, what is going on at the moment. And also before we start, please make sure to smash the like button to help me in the YouTube algorithm to reach more people. It really helps me. Thank you for doing so, and let's get into the video. So starting off, we are on the Enjin.io page, which I will put in the video description so you can follow along. We can see some short introductions, etc. But the interesting part is here in the products. So first of all, let's check out the platform, and they explain here that you can use this Enjin platform to build your own blockchain project. You can create NFTs, etc. So it's very easy to use. They support the Unity engine as well, so that's really cool for the game developers, also Java and some other ones as well. It's very simple. You just enter your email address and you can get started very easily. So all the way from games or apps to websites. And giving some examples, we have for example the minting panel, which is very easy to use for creating an NFTs or even fungible tokens with just one click. So you can create the fungible ones, which are digital currency, stackable items or some spendable assets, or these unique, which are non-fungible, so NFTs like digital art or in-game items, crypto collectibles, etc. Also, these created assets can be tradable, or even you can create ones which are non-transferable, like achievements, awards and licenses. And you can choose if the amount will be infinite or limited depending on your preferences. Also, you can automate your revenue on this platform, so you can get paid automatically when users trade digital assets peer-to-peer or the Enjin marketplace. So that's really cool. There are already over 38,000 traders with over 500,000 sold assets, with almost 6 million ENG tokens in the marketplace volume. Also, as we mentioned, there is the integration of these engines and developer kits, so Unity, Java and also Godot. So it should be very fast to integrate. And they say they have this powerful APIs, so you can create mass asset distributions up to 150 users with each transaction. Also event triggers, P2P trading, so for example trading in-game in a secure way. Wallet linking, so the users can link their blockchain wallet to your project which you create on Enjin. Also automated signing, etc. Now down here we can see some most popular games and apps and projects on the Enjin. So we have the Microsoft's Azure Heroes, which got a lot of press. However, one of the most favorite in my opinion is the Lost Relics, for example, but you have many more, and there will be more coming in my opinion. So this is the core feature. You can build those projects and games especially, but there is more. You also have a wallet, and they've created this really cool wallet in my opinion, because for one, of course, you get your private keys, so you own your private keys with this wallet. So that's the first important step, but also they support many coins and NFTs. So from the largest ones like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Polkadot, Litecoin, even Binance Coin and Dogecoin, of course, but then every single ERC20 token, and also these ERC tokens which are used for the NFTs. And it's also very easy to use. With just a click of a button you can interact with any dApps, and at the same time you are ensured with the safety of your blockchain wallet. So they are saying that you can almost turn your phone into a hardware like blockchain wallet, which I mean is way better than leaving your coins on an exchange. However, a dedicated hardware wallet is still the best option for the best security. However, they offer very cool security features like dual encryption. They also have a report from very extensive independent security and penetration audit and test, so you can check this out. Also, they use ARM instructions, so the sensitive data is instantly deleted from the phone's memory, and you can use the dedicated Enjin keyboard, which should be secure and protect you from any form of data sniffing or keyloggers. So in my opinion, this is one of the better mobile wallets out there, and it supports almost all the tokens you could need, and it's both on Android and also iOS. So with the integration of NFTs, we've seen the ERC721 and 1155 tokens. You have a very nice overview of your NFTs, so you can claim these NFTs just by scanning a QR code, or trade them securely on the marketplace, or link your wallet to a blockchain game via a code or a QR scan. So that's really cool as well. And now let's take a look at the marketplace itself. So here you can see there is plenty of in-game items already from the lost relics, which we've mentioned, but you can also list them by price, for example. So this should be from the most expensive one, so you can see some digital art as well among those in-game items. So that's great that you have all different things here. And at the moment there are 17,500 items on sale. You can also check the activity here, so because it's a blockchain you can see all the events in the history, all the public addresses, what asset was traded, what price was traded at. So great for transparency, a little bit worse for privacy, however still much better than any centralized marketplaces. You can see also the projects which are listed on the marketplace, and even search for a specific assets like the ERC1155. So here we can see some digital arts like the diamond hands, for example, or a classic ERC20 token, so you can trade all ERC20 tokens here. You have 30 pages times 50, so pretty great selection to choose from. But now let's jump back to the home page and check more about this protocol. And speaking of jumping, we now are in this JumpNet section, which is a new feature which will be added on April 6th of 2021, so just in a couple of days. And this is a very interesting proposition because they are proposing an instant, secure and gasless on-chain transactions on Enjin coin and ERC1155 tokens, which would be really amazing because, as you know, there are very high gas fees on Ethereum blockchain these days, and it takes some time as well. So if it's instant, secure and fees free, that's pretty amazing. So we can learn more here, which will send us to the Enjin blog page, which is really cool section as well. You can find all the new informations here, and they describe the JumpNet feature here in more detail, so that's very interesting as well. However, it's out of the scope of this video, but I may make a video just about the JumpNet, a very short one, maybe on the April 6th if I manage to squeeze it into my schedule. But for sure I'm putting this link in the video description so you can check it out yourselves before the launch. So just in short, this JumpNet MVP is a private version of the Ethereum blockchain running a proof of authority concept, and this will enable to send and receive Enjin coin and the ERC1155 tokens for free in an instant, which is great. I don't think any service offers this kind of feature or similar, so that's pretty exciting. Also, you will be able to mint Enjin powered blockchain tokens at no costs. On top of that, you will be able to trade the ERC1155 tokens without paying for the transactions. Also distribute them with no fees and do some automatic distribution of those tokens from apps or games for free as well. So this will be an amazing addition to the platform itself, but also the wallet, the marketplace as we checked out, and also the beams, which we will check just in a second. And here is just a quick visualization how this bridge would work. So that's a bridge between Ethereum, Jumpnet and Infinity. And Infinity is also a new addition to Enjin. Basically it's an NFT specific blockchain which was created on Polkadot. And here are the beams, which is a quite cool feature for engaging with the audience. You can basically create a beam campaign and the users will just scan a QR code and could participate and get some kind of rewards. You can also post these QR codes anywhere from social media, websites, videos, etc. And the users will just scan this QR code and can seamlessly receive their digital rewards. So it's basically for sending NFTs, so anywhere from gaming assets, virtual swag, some exclusive codes or branded collectibles. So a pretty cool feature on top of all the previous ones. And finally here for the solution, so they have the games section here as we talked about previously. So here they just present the benefits of an open ecosystem compared to the traditional gaming systems. So it sounds really cool. And here is what you can create in these games. So for the gaming assets, so all the way from characters, objects, currencies, real estate, NPCs, achievements, etc. So for the gaming part it's very interesting. But also we know that it's not just all about gaming but also about crypto and the ERC20 token. So they support exchanges to exchange the tokens we've talked about. And you can create your own websites using those features. For example, minting NFTs with just one click as we've seen, or sending those QR codes for distributing the rewards. I also have the white paper over here, but it's very long and in depth, so that's for another video, which I may do in a future follow-up. So write in the comments if you would be interested in more the technical stuff and how it works on a deeper level. But now we are taking a look finally at the tokenomics and the price charts. So at the moment we see that the market cap is around 2.2 billion US dollars, which puts this Enjin coin to the rank number 56. And very interesting thing here is the circulating supply, which is over 90% now, which is really crucial because we have a limited supply of 1 billion tokens and already over 90% of these tokens are in the supply, which means way lower potential for any future dilution or inflation, I should say, because there is just a few coins left to be added to the circulating supply. So from this point, very interesting. And the current price is about $2.4 at the moment. However, as I said in one of the previous videos, the current price is pretty much irrelevant because in crypto you can divide those tokens, you can buy just a fraction of one token, so it's pretty much irrelevant. The more important thing is the market cap and the maximum supply. And the market cap at the moment is not astronomically high like Uniswap or Polkadot or Cardano, so I think there is still some interesting potential, also taking account this circulating supply, which is almost on the maximum. And finally, jumping into the price charts, we can see that now we are consolidating a little bit around the $2.4. If we zoom out quite a lot, we can see the previous all-time high from 2017, which was around $0.5, and we successfully were able to break out past this resistance, and now we pretty much exploded to around those $2.4. So at the moment I see these two dotted lines to be the most significant ones. This one goes all the way to the November 2019, so very much a long-term support, and we were able to bounce off of the support and currently are still staying above this, so that's quite bullish. It means that we can remain in an uptrend movement. But also there is this much steeper support line which was introduced in the January 2021 when the coin started booming quite a lot. You can see it was oscillating back and forth around this support. However, at the moment we are past this support, we break past this support, which means it will be harder to get back up here. However, it's not broken in a major way like here in the February, so there is still a possibility that we could get back into the channel over here and continue in this very steep rise in the price. But for that, I think it's also important to check out the Enjin to Bitcoin ratio, where we can see a few supports from the highs of March 2019, and we are currently staying in between those supports. So this is kind of a strong resistance channel in between those supports over here. So as long as we are staying above these supports or in between them, I think there is a good chance of overperforming Bitcoin, which is great. But also if we zoom out a little bit, there is this longer term channel from the end of 2019, which is going all the way to today's price. And we can see that at the moment we are still in this channel. So it will be interesting to watch if we will able to remain in this channel and continue in overperformance of Bitcoin. And just quickly checking out a similar ratio, but with Ethereum, we can see that we are also hovering above this longer term support from the March 2019. So we are waiting for a back test or a break of the support. But unfortunately, compared to the Bitcoin's channel, we are now under this channel. So we are not in the channel like with Bitcoin case. So it will be harder for this ratio to get back into this channel and do some nice overperformance of Ethereum. However, that's not the end of the world. Important thing is that we stay above this support and continue to do the same big moves as Ethereum or a little bit higher maybe. And this is it for today's video from the Enjin coin overview. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If so, please smash the like button to help me in the YouTube algorithm to reach more people, and also consider subscribing for more content like this to come on the channel. Like I said, I may make a video about the JumpNet in a couple of days, so definitely subscribe for that one. And I thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Cheers!